This video shows how to use Smart Configurator in E-Square Studio for Azure RTOS. At first, we will show how to create a new Azure RTOS project. From the toolbar of E-Square Studio, select New, C project to create a new project. Both GCCRX and CCRX can support Azure RTOS. In this demonstration we will use GCCRX. Select Renesas RX GCC for Renesas RX C++ executable project. Enter project name. From RTOS selection, select Azure RTOS. For the first time usage, RTOS version selection is empty. Click Manage RTOS versions to download Azure RTOS software package. From download list, select a version that you want to download. It is recommended to select the latest version without RC. RC means release candidate. Accept to continue downloading. It will take some time to download the package, depend on your network speed. Once the download is completed, RTOS version is displayed. Next, select target board that you are working on. In this demo, we select RSK-RX65N2MB. Next page informs that Smart Configurator tool is used to give better user experience. Next, you can select the sample project which is related to what you want to develop or explore. For example, if you are interested in Azure Cloud, you can select IoT Embedded SDK Sample Project or PNP Temperature Control Sample Project. The newer RTOS version may have more samples than the previous one, so we suggest to use the newer version. In this demo, we will use the default ThreadX sample project. A new Azure RTOS project is created successfully. New created project has all required drivers, libraries and sample application code. Click Build button from the toolbar to build project. The project is built successfully. There are few warnings, however it does not cause any problem. Connect to the board and run debug configuration. Next, we will show how to configure Azure RTOS. Azure RTOS libraries, ThreadX, FileX etc. can be configured with GUI at Component tab of Smart Configurator. In this demo, we change max priority of ThreadX from 32 to 16 and generate code. The related configuration file is updated according settings on GUI. To create new RTOS objects, thread, queue, semaphore etc., select Azure RTOS object and add any RTOS object that you want to create. Smart Configurator will help to generate all the necessary codes based on GUI setting. To add more Azure RTOS libraries, click Add Component button at Component tab and select any RTOS libraries that you need, same as adding any new drivers. Generate code to add new added library codes to the project. To remove a library, select it and click Remove Component button. Then click Generate code to remove the library codes from project. For more information about cloud solutions, please refer to the Renesas website.